the fuck is happening? Stream is good. The stream is good. So, what I want to show you right now are things that I have made a bit. So, let's see that files. So, I am now using Kanata. So, I'm now using Kanata where I have I'm using the tap hold function, you could say function, for basically remapping my capture key to escape when I tap, and when I hold I get left control. So I can do something like this. Now on my keyboard I have a light that turns on when I use caps lock. Now it doesn't turn on because it has been mapped to left control, so it doesn't know. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I still need to fix that, but I'm thinking about reinstalling Arch Linux. I use Arch, by the way. But let's get yeah, so I didn't know how to do like the service thing, so I just copied one from the internet. I think I copied it from the Control H, I don't know, something about like it's not this one, that's what I know. So Control W, so caps lock W, yeah. This is my configuration as I show you, and you need to place this here in /etc/udev/rules. So you need to place this there. So that's also a thing. And also, in addition to that, I've not actually been to use it. So cd script and we install sh. So if I do Kanata and then I do, so yeah, here we go. I have not tested this. It's not even in the like the so where are you, GD? It's not even in here. Like I don't have the options for it yet. But when I will reinstall the computer, I will see if this works. Yeah. So basically, it just bunch. So it just moves. So it's basically the same thing as this one, this one. So from 1 to what? To 5, 8. It's basically the same thing, except for this thing. This thing is different. So yeah. So I will try to use this, and we will see what happens. So, and also I've added this. I will tell you a bit of obviously later. So wait a second. So, quit without saving. So if I go to plugins, ls and the UI that Lua, I have this plugin which show my keys, what keys I am pressing. As you can see, yeah, on the top right corner, and I have enabled the show count instead of like J. It's like, okay, 3k, 5k, 3k, you know what I'm saying? So if I do that, Control U times, you know, I'm in caps lock. It's not control now, yeah. But I still use the like regular caps lock key in this place, so that's also good. Now this is good and all, this is fine and all, but I've asked ChatGPT. I was trying to look at references and learning videos on how to create an auto CMD, but basically this will on a buffer. When I enter a buffer, when I create a new tab, when I enter that new tab, when I I guess Windows and I don't know what that. So yeah, so help win enter. So after entering another window, not done for the first window, Vim has started. Useful setting window height. So yeah, basically, so Vim enter and then Vim new, win new. A new window has been created, not done for the first window when Vim has started. So for these things, I've wrote another function so that will automatically start the keys. So and the auto CM the Lua, as you can see, start now. Now it didn't work when I do help, for example. That this is not working. So I mean it's good. Okay, it's not good because I might use this. So if I do win leave, wait a second. Wait a second. Win leave and the auto CMD the Lua help and then win enter. Okay, now it's also working. It's not working. So what is the buffer called? Okay, no, it's not win leave. I did ask ChatGPT, so let's go to that and ask it again. So Linux, yeah. Document account configure checks. What the fuck is this? I don't know. What is all of this? Buff enter. Win leave triggered when you bring a window. Tab leave. Or is it a win leave? Win buff leave. Okay, let's try buff leave. So if I do buff leave, yeah, let's do one. Oh, it's not win leave. remember when I could easily import files? It was just like from function.py. I don't know. Or should I just? Nah, that can't be. Ah, you can't have okay. To main, so f main. I don't know. Should be easy. It should be just like, yeah, import functions. That's it. You know what? I think it's time. It's time to give up. No, I'm just joking. It's time to not give up, and it's time to do something like this. And then control K, control O. So desktop, and then learning, and then I'll say learning. Folder. Python main.py. Shit. What is wrong here? I don't have any extension installed or anything like that, so I will have to. Oh my god! Install that thing, and then I will install them later on. So currently I have this. Will I need to open a project? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I need this. So import functions.fmain. Yeah, it works now. What the fuck? In Python ls Python main.py. Main Python file, and then functions. Functions.fmain. Now it works in VS Code. Oh my! Why are you not working here? Shit. Oh no. So it no. Yes. Anyway. Now it's working. What? Why? Why are you so fucking joking? So why does this run? Bruh, functions file. Main Python file. But here, even sourcing the function of the main in the profile. say if I do from import functions, got it. Yes, I understand now. I understand now. So because I am like if I do something like import functions, and then if I do so it's like functions dot f main, you won't because it's not defined. But if I do something like functions dot f main, it will, oh no, it will be rendered. It will be rendered from what I can see. Okay. Yeah, that was eye opening in fact. Yes. That was a waste of time. I mean, I learned something, I guess. That was part of the shake. What is happening? Yeah, given that you have, imagine you have a method little pie, okay? Now if it's gonna add the set, yeah, import another script. Now if you do print, it ensures that the testing code does not run during the import. It ensures that oh, testing code, testing add function does not run. so it's only output like 30, only outputs the function. So what should I write here? So when the file is imported, its main purpose to English running compiling running file correctly or importing module. The file as a module. And in this case, we are going to have an intended version, and then it will run reusable. I get it. So given that this is a function, so this will run because you're importing functions and you're sourcing the main function from in the main.py file. Now if you import the main.py file, it will obviously so oh shit, what happened? Yeah, obviously it will run the main function right here, but it will not run the functions.main file, the function.py file, because it's actually the opposite. it only runs that thing. What? No, I'm confused. I want to try this. I really want to try this. So E space E. So functions.py. So function. So test.py. So if I do something like function.py, so we def functions underscore mean print so found in functions functions.py file. Okay, and then printf. So printf. So this is found in main function main function in main.py file. Import functions and then call the function. Because it's a top level header. So functions dot function main, it's gonna have this. Okay, so it's gonna have this. Now what? Let's do step by step. So it's gonna run the main function. So if I do something like python main.py, it's need to run both. Let's see, run both. Now if I do test.py import main, now it should what desktop cd dash yes. So now what we are going to have is it should only run this because this is the main file. Why it runs this? Because this is why it runs this function right here, because it is a main, it is it has been imported as a module in the top level header. So it's like a top level header, hence it can be accessed anywhere. Obviously, if I was to do this, for example, it won't work. Okay, let's try this then. Import main. Wait, what? But how can we? So let's say import main python test1. What the fuck again? Oh. Okay, so main dot main. Wait a second. If difference underscore name underscore to main. So python fine. And it does run. I don't understand what he's saying like that. But what if I do something like so Ah, wait. Ah, it works. Both are being clear. Calling the main function inside the main function, yes, requires okay, importing some. This is top of it because the wait a second, you dumb dumb. What is happening? What's happening to my screen? Bruh, can I go up? I can't go up apparently. Can I read CSS? Oh, okay. So yeah. So the if does not execute because the name is, but it is executing. What? Does not execute. But I should get the same output. I get the same output. I get the same output. I think it seems logical for me it's outputting because I have function. I'm you know using importing that function and using that function here also. Undo. I am doing all of this, so I don't know. Yeah, but now I want to read. Now I can't scroll down because of you rendering thing. Fuck off. This code run function will run. So basically both this will run. Yes. Okay, basically both of this will run. Okay, let it finish. Let it finish. My head is getting a bit fucked up now because I don't know what's happening. And this is not supposed to be a small test stream. I'm actually like into it. So files can be yeah. So printing something to screen. So simple syntax, print something to screen. Yep. So there we go. So I'm gonna basically do that. I'm gonna start to close this right now. So this, and this. So also Control P. Reload app without saving. Quit this motherfucker. Obsidian underscore move from Obsidian to GitHub. deleting folders, rows have been moved. Okay, we can now read this now. Why is my thing? Okay, this is a bit too high. Python script summary has a special built-in variable name. If the variable sets name to main, if it sets name, oh, it sets it automatically. Example. What happens when you import a file? It runs at top level of a file, but the if means will skip during the import without false. This should run both. This should run both. So, oh, 3 times. So you have a function. This is imported. This is also running in the main directly in the file. So this code is in main.py. So there should be. So I have not seen it. So it's importing functions. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. So if you import functions, wait. You have this top level header, this and this. This only runs in that functions.py file. It will only run this in only if you run the functions.py file, from what I can understand. Now this will also execute as always. Always it will also execute because it's a function. You know, it has been defined. Let's say it has been defined at the top level. The function main file has been defined at the top level. Okay, this will return 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3 lines of code, lines of text, and as you can see, it returns 3 lines of text. Now, if we import these functions.py file in the main file, this should run. The code is in the main file, and only this should run, I think. No. But then why does mine run? Okay, I agree that this should run also because it's in the top level header. Oh, wait a second. He has not used any functions here. So he has not used any functions here. So if I do test.py, import me. So import functions. If I do something like functions.py here, top level in functions, good. That's good. I need to place this at the bottom. Okay, so we have this. Right. We have this. Very nice. Now, if I do something like if underscore name underscore so is equal to underscore main, this is only found in the file. Run directly. Functions print statement running directly in functions.py file. Okay, and then call the function, so function main, then this. So if I do import, so if I do this, python main top level, whenever you import this, it's like running a function. So it's treating this as a function, because you see here I have a function and I'm sourcing that function in here. Now if I place this here, it's thinking that okay, the print function is a function, you know, the print function, okay, I need to run the function, so that's why it runs. So basically it runs this, it will run this, and it will only run this. So you get 3 output instead of 4 output. So basically you get 3 output instead of 4 output. So from what I can understand, yeah. So this, we have this, and then we have this. What if I do import? So if I do import main, it's gonna run this function, so it's going to run this. It's also, so it's going to run this. So it's a top level header. So, and now in the main file I am importing this, and then if I don't run this, so if I, for example, if I do python main.py, this will only run. So okay, so gcc undo gcc. Now this is in the main function, and I'm sourcing the main function here, but I'm not going to do any execution here. So I'm not gonna do like a main.main function, something like that. No, I'm just gonna run this, so it should get me only 1 line. Yeah, it only gets me 1 line. Okay, I understand it now. So let's draw it. Curlydraw.com. I was trying to explain my friend fucking git set zoom. So given that we are having a main file, given that we have a functions file, func, and then we have some things in here. So if I will have a function, so like a foo, so function that this works. Now this has not been called. So if I do something like so if I do something like where are you? This has not been called. So it will run this. It's gonna run this because I am. Wait, give me a second. Python main.py. So this will run obviously because it's sourcing the function main. Now if I okay, it's a function file insert, yeah, function, so function file in, so Python main.py. Now it's gonna obviously the import thing works. The main function in the main, the main.py file has a main function, so it runs that also, and it will run the function which is here because we have it over there. So see, because we have it over here. Now if I remove that, it's also going to run it. Yes, it's also going to run it because I have been explicitly calling the function main in the main function because I have imported it and can use it. Okay, so that is correct. What about only this. I should get two output. Yes. I should get two output. I'm getting two output here. So if I do this, I have something like print here. Wait, let's say that this is a print. So this, and then print. So P for print, and then something like that. So top level header. And then if I don't run it, or if I run it, no, I don't run it. So if I don't run it and I don't call it, it won't run. But if I do, wait, if I do that, so if I do function underscore main, yeah, it works. It's going to work, even though I have not sourced anything here. I've not called the function main from the functions file in the main.py file. So it's going to work, from what I can understand. Because I'm importing it at the top level header. Now, if I do something like def test func, and then if I do import functions, if I do something like that, it won't run. Basically, it will only run this because it's not in the top level header. Now, but if I do that, if I do that, so if I do this, and if I do call the test func here, it's going to tell me that Python main that it's gonna run 2 lines of code, because it's going to run 2 lines of code. Why? The reason why is this is a top level header. You could see top level function in that function.py file. Even though I am sourcing this here, it's not going to run. It's not going to run. Nevertheless, so if I do import functions, right? So, and if I do functions, it should only give me 2. If again, it should only give me 2 output. Give me 2 output. If I give my if I give myself, this should give me only 3 outputs. Why not 4? Because of the thing that we said. Wait, this is not in the top level header. You need to run that function. You need to run that file, functions.py file, for it to actually print that thing. Because it's directly think of it like embedding that function print statement in that functions.py file, from what I can understand. This is what I can understand from that. So we can think of it this way. I think I'm going to take a break. I'm gonna try to figure out this out more, but I think I get the point. The point is, this is running. The thing is, this is running this. So if I do print something, sourcing, so main.py file, sourcing main function to run. So sourcing main. Now, if I do something like this, will only. So what I'm doing. One print statement, so 1 output, 2nd output, 3rd output, and then 3rd output. So if I do something like Control S Shift 5, cd bar, okay, cd desktop / Python, and so Python desktop. This should give me 3. Oh, top of the prison. Wait. I understand. I think I understand. So because this, why are you not running? Yeah, but because I need to source this. I need to source this. Like here I am sourcing it. I am sourcing it from here. I'm calling the function specifically, explicitly. This is the same as that. So now I am not so explicitly saying, oh, okay, run this thing. Hence it will run whatever it finds. So whatever it finds is like, this is not what it finds. This is not what it finds, because this is a function. And again, this is being run directly in the main.py file. It's not gonna run. Now this is the top level header. It's going to run. So if you go to the top level header here, this is a function in the function.py file. So it won't run here. Now this is a function in the main.functions.py file. So it won't run. So what do you have? You have only this. You have only this, so it works. I'm gonna draw this later. I'm gonna try to draw it by hand, and then I'm gonna like draw lines, and I'm gonna draw it again. Okay. Yeah, I get it now. Like the main thing, the thing here. So if I do like, oh shit. So if I do, the main key takeaway here is the main takeaway here, I guess, is like the thing in the, okay, let's bring up Xfile again. The thing in the main, if underscore the main, so name blah blah blah, here. The thing about this is being used to directly, this makes code in that file run directly. So this will allow direct running, direct execution, direct. But if you have to import something, it's going to do something like that. Yeah, it's not gonna run because there's nothing attached to it, so it's only gonna run that thing. So LD, no. So this is sourcing this in this in this. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I know I'm gonna get it. I understand things right now. Okay, that will be for me right now. I will check later on. I might do another live stream tonight, but I'm not sure. Okay.